What's going on, people? It's Greg here with a quick Excel tip for password protecting your macro. So say you have some code, you don't want the end user to see it, you want to protect your intellectual property. So let's get right into how to do that. I have a code here where it just sends out bulk emails based on the cells here. I can just run it real quick so you can see. So see all these emails popped out based on what's here. And now say I want to protect that. So all you have to do is go to Tools, VBA Project Properties, and then Protection. And you want to click Lock Project for Viewing, and then you enter a password. So I'll just do 1234. 1234. So you make sure you check Lock Project for Viewing into your password, and then hit OK. So now I'll save, and when I reopen the file, that's when the changes will take effect. Let me close these out real quick. Alright. Open the file back up. Hit Alt F11 to bring up my code, and you see it's locked now. So I have to enter a password just to be able to see the code. So yeah, there you have it. That's all I've got for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a good one.